Hi, it's Allie from Inspiralized, and today we're in my kitchen and we are making my pork and green bean stir fry with sweet potato fried rice. Now, if you love Chinese takeout but you want a healthier version of it, this is it. Instead of having fried rice, we're making spiralized sweet potato rice. So we're actually taking spiralized sweet potatoes, putting them into a food processor, pulsing them into the rice lake, and then cooking them just like fried rice. And it tastes just like the real deal. It's just healthier, has a lot more nutrients, and you will not miss your classic Chinese takeout, I promise. So let's get started. First, we're gonna prepare the rice. So we're gonna spiralize a sweet potato, and then we're gonna place those sweet potato noodles into a food processor and pulse until they're just rice-like. And now we're gonna make it into fried rice. So you're gonna wanna heat a skillet with some coconut oil over medium-high heat, and once that's heating up, you're gonna add in some onions, cook those onions up, fry them until they're soft, and then we're gonna add in that sweet potato rice. You just wanna stir a little bit until it is all combined with the onions and the coconut oil, seasoned with some salt and pepper. You're just gonna wanna cook that until it tastes like rice. The consistency, a little bit crunchy, a little bit soft. And once that sweet potato rice is cooked, you're gonna make a cavity in the center of the skillet. And you're gonna crack in your eggs, or if you've already beaten the eggs, just pour them right in and scramble them in the center. And once they're scrambled, you can just stir it to combine, and then you're gonna get that nice eggy fried rice. You can add some peas in there as well if you want a more traditional rice, but once you have that all combined, I like to just drizzle over a little bit of soy sauce, and then again, just stir to combine. And that's easy as that, our fried rice is done. So now we're gonna get our pork ready. We're gonna wanna cut that pork tenderloin diagonally into 1/2-inch thick slices. And then you're gonna wanna slice again and cut those in half. So we're gonna get little pork strips, and that'll just make it easier to cook. It'll cook quicker. And then once you have your pork prepared, we're gonna prepare the sauce as well. So you're just gonna wanna stir in your ingredients for that nice stir fry sauce into a medium bowl until combined. And now we're ready to cook our pork. So you're just gonna wanna heat up your coconut oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. And once that's all heat up, you're gonna add in your ginger, your garlic, and your red pepper flakes. Give that a little stir, and then we're gonna add in our pork slices. And you just need to really cook the pork for 2 to 3 minutes per side, just a little bit. It's gonna cook really quick. It's gonna be very easy. Once the pork is done cooking, we're gonna add in those cooked green beans and that delicious sauce that we prepared. And you're gonna wanna just stir until everything is combined. You're gonna start to notice that the pork browns a little bit as it absorbs the sauce. Just give it about 2 to 3 minutes just for all the flavors to combine, and then you're done with our pork and green bean stir fry. And to serve this dish, you're just gonna scoop some sweet potato fried rice into a bowl and top with the pork and green bean stir fry. And that is it. That is the pork green bean stir fry with sweet potato fried rice. Super easy, light, healthy, really colorful. So next time you get a craving for some takeout, I hope you make this pork and green bean stir fry with sweet potato fried rice. To grab this recipe and a bunch more, head to Inspiralized.com.